Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer receipts from Google Photos to Shoeboxed, complete. To begin transferring receipts from Google Photos to Shoeboxed, open the Google Photos app on your device. Log in to your Google account if prompted. Navigate to the folder where your receipts are stored. Select the receipts you wish to transfer by tapping on them. Tap the share icon, usually represented by 3 connected dots or a triangle. In the Sharing Options menu, look for the option to save to drive or share via choose Google Drive from the available sharing options. Select a folder in Google Drive where you want to save your receipts. Once selected, tap Save or Upload to move the receipts to Google Drive. Next, open the Shoeboxed app on your device. Log into your Shoeboxed account or create one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Receipt Upload section. Choose the option to import from Google Drive. Authorize Shoeboxed to access your Google Drive if prompted. Locate the folder where you saved your receipts from Google Photos. Select all receipts you want to upload. Tap on the Upload option to begin transferring them to Shoeboxed. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once complete, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your receipts have been uploaded successfully. Review your receipts in Shoeboxed to ensure everything transferred correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.